Hello, in this video we see how to make predictions. We can make predictions for the future with will and going to. In this video we see the form will. You'd like to know about your future? Please take a seat. Electricity is so expensive these days, isn't it? What do you want to know?
Will I find love?
How original! Well, let's see what the crystal ball says. You will meet somebody special. You will become lovers, but you will split up. What more do you want to know?
Will I find work?
You will find work, but your employer will not like you, so you will lose your job. What else do you wish to know?
Will I be rich?
A distant relative will die. You will inherit a fortune, so you will be very wealthy. But you will not enjoy this money.
Why's that then?
Because you will meet a tyrannosaur, and it will have you for dinner. Beware of dinosaurs. We usually make predictions with will, like you will meet somebody special, you will become lovers, you will find work. Form. All verbs after will are in the bare infinitive, like you will meet somebody special, you will become lovers, you will find work. Positive sentences. All the sentences in these examples are positive statements, like in you will meet somebody special, or you will become lovers, or you will find work. Contractions. Will can be contracted. You'll meet somebody. You'll become lovers. Negative statements. We use will plus not, like in this person will not stay in your life. Your employer will not like you. Contractions. The negative form can also be contracted. Compare these sentences. This person will not stay in your life. This person won't stay in your life. Question forms. Let's see two question forms. Yes/no questions that are typically answered with a yes or no, and question word questions. First, let's see yes/no questions. We use will plus subject plus a verb phrase like will I find work? Will he meet somebody special? When we answer a yes/no question, we usually follow the pattern below, like in will I find work? Yes, you will, or no, you won't. We don't usually repeat the whole question, like in will I find work? We wouldn't usually say, yes, you will find work. We'd usually say, yes, you will, or no, you won't. Question word questions. For these patterns we use the question word plus will plus subject plus the verb phrase, like in when will I find work? Where will he meet somebody special? Let's see the whole form. In positive sentences, we'd have are, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they, always accompanied with will. Let's see some examples. I will meet somebody. He, she, or it will find work. We will inherit money. They will die, etc., etc. The negative form is are, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they, plus will not or won't if we choose to contract, and the verb phrase like I will not meet anybody. He, she will not find work. We won't die, etc. And in the interrogative form, we have an inversion. We start with a will or a question word, depending on the type of question. So we get sentences like, will I meet somebody? Or will he inherit money? Or will they find work? Etc. That's all for now. Find more videos, activities and stuff on my blog, blogtheserena.blog. And if you like the activity, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you very much for watching.